Does every product fit your website? The answer is no. Your products should match your topic. Let's say you teach affiliate marketing. A cooking product may be useful. A gaming product may be useful, but they do not fit your topic. That can cause confusion for your readers. Stay close to your subject. Recommend products that fit. People will understand your website better. Want to choose better products to recommend? Learn more at MakeMoneyOnlineBestTools.com. Get the free affiliate marketing first 7 days kit plus a bonus starter guide. The link is in the bio.